breaks it down to the bone gristle. Ill speaking, scud missile, heat seeking. Johnny blazing, nightmares like Wes Craven. Niggas got.
Hi, my name is Anil Nair, and I'm an aerospace engineering student here at UCLA. And I'm going to help you by going over some math concepts and examples. Good luck.
So we're going to find the tangent line. 2f at the point x equals 2, where f of x equals 2x to the third times cosine pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 4. Don't let the cosines freak you out. Cosine pi over 4 is just a number. It's just a constant. It doesn't depend on x, so we can just treat it as a constant. So to find a tangent line, remember the equation of a line is a y minus y0 equals m times x minus x0, where m is the slope and x0 and y0 is a point on the line. So obviously for the slope, we're going to have to use a derivative, and the derivative is going to be f prime of x. So f prime of x is going to be d dx of 2x to the third cosine pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 4. So let's split this up. Since cosine pi over 4 is a constant, derivative will be 0. Since 2 and cosine pi over 4 are constants, we can pull them out. And now we just need to use the power rule. And that gives us 3x squared. So we have 6 cosine pi over 4 times x squared as our derivative of x. And now that we found the derivative, erase all this. Okay. Okay, so for since we're going at x equals 2, our slope is going to be f prime of 2. That's 6 times cosine pi over 4 times 2 squared, which is 24 cosine pi over 4. And for our x0, y0, we can just use, x0 can be whatever we want, really, as long as it's on the line. But since we know that this tangent line, let's say this is f of x, and this is x equals 2, since we know this tangent line has to cross, has to touch f of x at x equals 2, we can just, our x0, y0 can be 2 and f of 2. So f of 2 is just 2 times 2 to the third cosine pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 4, which is 16 cosine pi over 4 plus cosine pi over 4. And if you remember, cosine pi over 4 is just root 2 over 2. We can simplify this further. this becomes, the slope is 12 root 2, and this becomes 17 root 2 over 2. So our tangent line is y minus y0, which is f of 2, times f prime of 2 times x minus x0, with x0 being 2. So y equals f prime of 2, which is 12 root 2. And I'm bringing the f of 2 over. F of 2 is going to be added, so we have 17 root 2 over 2. And if you want to simplify this further, you get 12 root 2x minus 24 root 2 plus 17 root 2 over 2. And we can simplify this further, but this is fine right here. So that is the equation of the tangent line.
Is you bustin' still or is you flashing? Talking out your asshole. You should have learned about the flowing PZ Afro. Italian stallion, chinky eye and snot.